So I was not planning on covering this phone. I mean, sure, it has a good lot of good things going for it, but I thought, okay, it's just another really good value under 20k. But then a couple of days ago, when it was officially announced, I saw the price under 15,000 taka in Bangladesh. Okay, I'll take a proper look. As far as the packaging is concerned, there is not a single introduction that you bought anything the a flagship. It was a weight box that comes with an insert fast with a couple of manuals and a clear transparent case. The smartphone, a USB-C cable and pretty hefty charger. Still, the spec sheet on this phone completely whips the floor with everything, even close to its price range. 6.53 Full HD Plus display, 6000 mAh battery with 18-watt charger in the box, 48 megapixel quad camera setup, a 8 megapixel front facing camera, all played with a 662 processor. It is good. It's got 4 gigabyte of RAM. It's got a dual speaker setup. It's got a headphone jack. Tell me that is not impressive? Oh, and if you are enjoying this video, a subscribe to the channel would be extraordinary. It is built well. I mean, the back is a plastic as you would expect. It has Gorilla Glass 3 on the front. Also, this is a big phone. This an LCD display, not OLED, so being angle suffer. It's not the biggest display. It's not at all bad display. This is an all-day phone. This is an 8-hour to an 11-hour screen on time device. Just generally, the MIUI 12 that this runs on is a polished bit of a software. What you get here is almost identical to the MIUI 12 seen on Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. But the Poco launcher they use is a little bit lighter and little bit less animated. The phone also has a 64 gigabyte RAM storage, and if you don't want to update to the 120 GB storage model, that will be cost you 16,500 taka. You are not even getting any extra RAM. Thankfully, there is a microSD card support. The fact really that this is a still best hardware for the price. All thought that said the performance it's not smooth selling also every now and again when you are closing an app or when you are pushing up holding to open up a multitasking. It's not as smooth as it should be, but to be fair, a lot of this does not feel like a lacking of power, just lack of a optimization for this new chipset. So finger closed it improves, but even then there are just so much good stuff going on here, especially exponential that battery life. This is the best phone you can get found under 15k. Thanks for watching the video. My name is EhSR. This is Technological Bangladesh, and I will catch you in the next video.